Hello everybody, Jack here. Today we're going to be playing this game, which is Airplane 4. Now I've seen Airplane 3, Airplane 2 and Airplane 1. But this time we're going to be playing Airplane 4, so for everybody in the background. And yeah, we're going to get straight into it. And yeah, let's just go into this one, eh? So I dropped my baggage. How do I do it? Okay, I don't guess. That. Oh, come on. Let's do. Who wants to? What? Anybody who do? Should we join this one? Hey guys. Actually, guys, hey, actually, I want to be with that yellow guy. Go on. Oh, wait, I'm going to be with that guy. Oh, he's not here. Wait. Oh, wait, never mind. Actually, let's be with this guy. So for this. Oh, guys. Come on. Nah, I'm not going with something. What one? Let's do this one with that bacon here, because who doesn't like bacon here? They're awesome. And this other guy, it's got that round charmer, which is pretty cool default here. So we're gonna be playing game, and okay, we're going into the game. Okay, we got our baggage still. Will we have it in the actual game? Let's see. Okay. Is my mic even plugged in? I'm gonna have a look. Yes, it is. So is it? Wait. Yeah, I think so. So gonna be playing Airplane 4. You play. Yeah, just see if I have caps lock on. Wakey, eat some bacon. Today is the big day. So I've never ever played this game, and I'm quite excited. So that's my family in the background. Now, do you like my new name and new so? Yeah. Let me remind you, we are flying to the Bahamas. Like the Bahamas, eh? Like the Bahamas. Can I go through here? Ooh, it's a Valkyrie. It's pretty expensive. So yeah. What's in here? I can't even open anything. What are these? Can we put them on? No. When are we gonna go? Oh wait, we can go out. Who's in here? Nobody. We can go out. Yes, Dad. Hello. Okay, I'm gonna just sit down. Oh, there's my baggage. I can't. Maybe I have to just. Okay, let's follow Dad. Guys, come down. Boys, come. Okay. Oh. Okay, we go in here. And anyways, I don't want to do any glitches today, so Can we? Okay, let's have a look upstairs. Can we bring shoes? No. Can we bring... No. We can't. Okay, let's go downstairs. Okay guys, time to start packing. Let's go. Find this item. Okay, we got shoes. I'm gonna look if they're in here. I think they'll be in the girls' room, eh? Let's look. Yeah, here it is. Let's go downstairs. I saw the backyard. That actually looks pretty cool. Okay, when we get there, we'll get there. Let's go. Okay, there's only one of our mates. Did he die? Please don't tell me he died. Okay, we gotta find that item that looks like in a boys' room. Nope. 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 Why do I have to get everything from the girls' room? I'm not a female, I'm a male, okay? Okay, there we go. That looks like a bed with a fat pillow and then like a small blanket. Or like the same size. Same with that guy, that'll be like, yeah, it's funny, eh? Do I have any? Okay, I remember that's probably no. Nope, nope. It's a reed. Here it is. Okay, let's get downstairs so we can get this in. We have enough time. Here we go. Please don't tell me this. No, this. Please tell me this. No more. I want that to be it. If there's more. Oh no. Please don't be any more. Please. Yes. Oh that. Oh no, that burger. Hey, that's a vegetarian one. Let's go backyard. Yeah, I agree. Can TP dog? Yeah. Oh, water. This looks like good stuff to do. What do we do? Wait. Wait, do we just explore the house? And then we get our burgers? Or what? Oh, I want to go down there. Oh! Look at this. Secret One Award. Let's go. Hey. Okay, now we just gotta get up. There we go. It's a pretty cool secret. It was the first one. Is there any in the house? Sit on a picnic table. I'm gonna sit here. There's two meatball. And then soon, or the radio, and then soon we might go on the airplane. Which will be pretty fun. Well, I don't know because there might be something there like an alien or something. Okay. Where's the cheeseburger? Black and use. Hello everybody, we're back on the Boxy and News. Oh, it's a rodeo. Earlier this month, the president congratulated the brave heroes and whoa! Can you imagine saving a plane? Yeah, we did it. However, the president said in conference, as we learned it, the 6 victims somehow disappeared. The police warns everyone Roblox here be careful and report anything that could be useful for the case. I'm gonna just call my dog on it. Guys. On I come! Okay. Oh my god, look at the time. We're running late to our flight. We make it on time. Unless, follow me. Okay, I'm gonna follow Dad. Okay, come on, bring it. Okay, stuck. What is it? I like your hat, by the way. Okay. I have a bad feeling about this. Yeah, same TLJ. And here's Charles Doms. That's actually a pretty cool name. Oh, it's just me, Chan, Doms, and me and Dad. In the garage. Wait for it. What's gonna happen? I present to you your really own small plane. Oh, that's so cool. Let's hop on my own plane. This is going good so far. Okay, I have my license for planes. It's also a lot more fun than walking. No, we can't lose more time. Find your plane and grab a seat. We're already on it. You can just do it now, or is it for takeoff? Should I be in first person or third person? Let's be first person. Oh, yeah, we cool. I'll use that. So I can make it more realistic, basically, for that bottom thing. And I'll see you guys on the other side. Yep, I'll see you too then. Wait! We don't even know how to fly these. I got my license on planes. Nah, just kidding. I'm only 10-year-old. Obstacles. What? Okay, maybe I don't. Well, actually, maybe I do. Do we go that way? Nope, we don't. Come on, bud, we can do this. Oh, it's another secret. Secret 3 or what? Oh, wait, there's another. Okay. That wasn't really a secret. Okay. We're in here. Wait for everyone to finish. We already finished, okay? Perfect. I've got to tell you, flying over that shortcut is illegal. Oh no. Hopefully nobody saw. You know there was a cop there before. The airport is just around the corner. Let's keep moving. Oh, there's the airport. Didn't before we did it before in the gate? Guys, it's right there. Okay. That's a pretty weird looking car there. No, it means it's a jeez, but it's still a pretty cool car. Let's cross the street. Okay. Wait, careful with the truck! That was close. Hurry inside. Oh no, he has low health. Mid kid. Yeah, mid kid at him. That was close. Don't worry. Flight 7616 to the Rohamas is leaving in 5 minutes. That's our flight. I already have my ticket. Get yours before the plane takes off without us. Objective: get your ticket and go to the boarding gate. Where's my ticket? Do I just drop it here? Okay, then where do I get my ticket? Where? Where's my ticket? Okay, I might just try and do a glitch first. Where? Where's my ticket? Where do I get my ticket? Let's just keep going, eh? Hello, you must be the last passengers flying to the Rohamas. Don't worry, you are just in time. All of you need to do go through. Okay. Alright, let's go through middle detected then. Okay, I don't know what that was. What? I don't have anything on me. Other than this weapon. Uh-oh. Dad, you might have made a big ass mistake. Something is not right. Please wait a minute. Oh no, I don't like how that sounds. Nope, I'm getting back. Nope. You are going to have to come with us. Is there a problem, officers? All of you were caught flying over a restricted area. You are in big trouble. Wait here until I get the paperwork ready. Okay. Does this sound same? No, it doesn't. Sorry. I knew it was a bad idea. Same did. No, we are totally losing the flight. Let me do a little flight. There we go. Boom, boom, bada boom. Can we go through here? No, we can't. No. Can we go through this one? No, we can't. This one? No, we can't. Okay, we can't go through here, no. Through here, no. Okay, that's crazy. Last one, my plan is finally complete. Are you enjoying the show? No. Your world will be soon property of the Indians. First I used humans to help me build an army, but now I can take over the world by myself. Don't worry, you'll be part of my army too. See you in the afterlife. Yes. So it's okay. Okay, this is bad. What is going on? Look, the cops are back. Let's ask him for help. I think you might have doubted that. I don't think those cops are friendly. That's a big doubt. Find a objective. Find a weapon and kill the infected cops. Oh! Oh! Kill him! Come on, I'll do it for you. There we go. I'll just keep this back just in case if something bad happens. Or will it take it? That was horrible. We're going to find a way to exit this place. I know, right? Oh, I know. I know what one's the correct one. I know what one's the correct one. This one, this one, this one. Yeah. Yeah, let's go. Look, guys, we found an open vent. Okay, so what are we gonna do now? Okay, let's find out. Can we go back? Can we go back? Oh, we can't. Come on! Dad! Uh-oh. 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 Come on, bub. Come on, buddy. Oh no, that skeleton curse has affected Dad. Okay, we gotta go this way. Escape the obby through the roof vent. Yeah, that's gonna be quite easy. Oh. Can I get the secret? Yeah, let's go. Come on. Yes. Gunner Poncho. It looks like. What? Who even are you? I'm Poncho. It's the general of the Roblox United States Army. I heard you in the news. I tried to stop this strange creature for years since the world depended. I had to fake my death. We are the only ones left. And we have to find and destroy Skulldug's before. We need to do this for our dad. Yeah. It's time to be a hero. Then follow me. Okay, come on, guys. Come on, brother. Come on, brother. Yeah, he's going. Oh, I can just. Let me get some full damage. I don't know if there is, but is it? No, we don't. I think. I don't know. I don't know. Cause I was question mark. Question mark. Question mark. Who are you? Okay, I'm gonna come behind. Actually, wait. Where did I go? Oh no. Hello, General Rainbow. But me. Nope, I didn't. Oh wait, yeah, I do. No way, you're supposed to be dead. I guess we are both supposed to be dead, but we are here. When my dark side attacked, the presidential plane got shot in the face. That made my curse become weaker. The only way I could completely be free is by killing skeletons. I still don't trust you. You could be lying to us. You are not going to be part of this mission. Well, I'm still going to do it, General. Who's coming with me? Not me, not me, not me. There's no way my team is going with you. Let me come over here. Let me say hi. Let me... Well, it could actually be a secret Indian or something, so I'm gonna say Ronald McDonald. Ronald McDonald. We chose to go. Stay out of our way, Ronald. We are saving the world. What is that noise? Uh-oh. Oh no, they found us. Run! Get to the end of the maze. I'm following them. Uh-oh, they're here. Oh, here we are. Quickly go inside the room. What is this place? Looks like an evil altar. Someone must have summoned skeleton. This growing place looks like an offering. Oh! Uh-oh. 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 No. Okay, let me get that. I'll go with this. Oh my, Paula Kelly, I thought she was dead. Why is it all about dying? It's supposed to be like... that guy here, Jack. There's also running. And look, quickly! We have to get them out. Throw, get chain out, get chain out, get chain. It's too late. I have harvested enough scared skulls to have my full power. Why do you think I'm after planes? That's the easiest way to get souls to get scared for their life. Bro, we haven't even gotten in a plane yet, and it's called Airplane Story. It's weird. But no, oh! Oh, this is so hard. Continue, yes. Yes, I do want to continue. Bruh! Not getting me. Not getting me. I think when he's like that, we have to try and attack him. Why is my character just saying something? I'm trying to cool him. When will he leave? I'm trying to do this guy. I don't know how we do this. How do we kill them? How do we complete this? How do we do this? Like, okay, how do we do this? I'm trying to get them. How do we do this? What do we do? Oh. Oh, this is health. There we go. Okay. Are we even gonna hop on the airplane now? Okay, we're done now. You did it, soldier. Skilling Talks is gone for good. Let's get everyone out of here. Like you and me and those three. The name of Roblox is great. Falling game. I want to congratulate this brave heroes bringing evil to an end. I would also like to thank everyone who saved my life. Good job, soldiers. Enjoy the moment. You deserve it. I've been trying to finish with Skeletalks for a long time. And finally he is gone. I know Dad would be proud. Wait, what about our dad? Wait. Who is that over there? What's up, family? Did you miss me? Yeah! Oi, no way!
Hello, dude. I miss you.
Wait, Kelly is our mom? That is right. And the family is finally complete again. Isn't this amazing? Wait, the general is gone. We can be sure whenever he goes, he will be saving the world. And I still got my sword. We got good ending, mission complete award. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, but I don't know why it's called Airplane 4, even though we didn't even see a airplane. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I'll see you in the next video, and yeah, bye.